We are going to do a computer assembly of, you are seeing an epoxy glass casing classic bracket. It is better you do this unpacking on the floor. You don't need to slide it up. Yeah, maybe able to see the focus. See. It is the casing cover. Okay, I had put it upside down. Okay, you can see it. You can see this. Let me take this out, then I will cover. Okay, then I have taken this out from this whole thing. Can you see that how does it looks from the front? It will be difficult for me to adjust. Let me. Okay, looks like this, and let's get the back side. Just this. This is how it looks on the back. As a place empty gap. Now what I will do is I will take down these two thumb screws. You can see these two thumb screws. Let me focus here. These two thumb screws, we have to take it out. So I'm taking one by one. It may be hard. If it feels so hard, you can use Phillips, that we commonly called plus. Here we are having Phillips screw plus and minus. Minus. This is plus. Okay. But it's okay for me to do it without the screwdriver. So this is the panel to keep it safely anywhere. Now you may just look what are the wires. The cabling present inside this. This is the regular cables which is present in SMPS. This is the ATX cable which goes to the motherboard. This 4-pin. The another is this. These two are power cables. These are now not used. So these were used normally. Now we use this. We need these SATA cables. And this is the great bunch of wires which goes to the motherboard.